Are you sick of sad, boring salads that leave you feeling hungry? Well, get ready because today we're ditching the drab and diving into a vibrant black bean and corn salad that's so good, it'll become your new go-to. This isn't just another side dish, it's a flavor explosion that's ridiculously easy to make, packed with goodness, and perfect for anyone short on time but big on taste. Stay tuned, because I'll show you exactly how to whip up this crowd pleaser that works for lunch, dinner, or even a picnic. So often, we think healthy eating means sacrificing flavor or spending hours in the kitchen, right? That's where this salad swoops in like a superhero. The secret? Simple, fresh ingredients mixed with a tangy, bright dressing that makes everything pop. We're talking about hearty black beans for protein, sweet corn for that summer sunshine feel, crisp bell peppers, red onion for a little zing, and plenty of fresh cilantro. It's a texture party and a color fiesta all in one bowl. The best part is, you barely need to cook anything. Just chop, mix, and dress. It's truly that simple, and I promise, the flavors will surprise you. You'll be amazed at how quickly this comes together. Give that subscribe button a tap so you don't miss our next quick and tasty recipe.